आज हम आ रहे हैं आपके पास दुगास्ता डेवलपर्स का एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट लेके, जो है मूनसा। इसके बारे में इन डिटेल आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे मिस हर्षिता। यस मैम।
Hi Deepak. So this Moonsa 2 residence, this is located in Alvarsan 4, which is International City Phase 2. This is a 6-story building.
Okay.
We have basement, then ground floor, then first floor, and then we have all these. We have studio this side, and the corner units are all 1 bedrooms. So we have 1 bedroom and studio only in this one. And all the amenities, swimming pool, gym, kids play area will be on the rooftop. And the USP of this project, this is just walking distance to Blue Line metro station, which is upcoming. It will be operational by September 2030, and it has just been announced by His Highness Anwar. So yeah, and
Dugasta is known for, ma'am, its payment plan and best of the ROIs.
yes,
Can you please explain me what is the ROI that we will get, and what are the payment terms and conditions?
I'll explain you the payment
Yes.
plan and ROI, because we are very popular for 10% ROI for 10 years. There are different options to choose from, but the very unique one which I'm going to explain to you right now is 50% during construction and 50% post handover 10 years.
Okay.
So basically client will be paying only half price of the property,
Okay.
and the ROI starts on the paid value on
Okay.
50%. It goes on till 10 years on the
Okay.
paid amount. As soon as the amount is increasing, the
Okay.
ROI is also increasing. But they don't have to pay anything from their pocket from the
Okay.
handover, because the ROI itself is going to cover the installment.
दैट मीन्स आप मुझे
Yeah.
ये बोल रहे हो कि सपोज अगर मैं इंडियन रुपीज से बात करूँ, 1,60,00,000 रुपीज की अगर फ्लैट कॉस्ट है, तो आपको 80 लाख रुपीज पे करना
पे
है।
करके
उसमें भी स्टार्टिंग में आपको 24% पे
हाँ.
करना है 1,60,00,000 का, एंड देन आफ्टर पेइंग द 50% और द 50% ऑफ कंप्लीशन जो भी हो चुकी है, उसके बाद जो है आपका
Yes.
ROI स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। मतलब 80 लाख पे आपको 80,000 आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा,
yes,
एंड देन वो भी आपको पूरा पे नहीं करना है। रेस्ट ऑफ द अमाउंट इट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम
Yes.
द ROI
So,
दैट यू आर पेइंग।
जितनी ROI आपकी बनती है वो
Yes.
एडजस्ट हो जाएगी आपकी इंस्टॉलमेंट में। उसके ऊपर जो भी अमाउंट बनता है वो आपको क्लाइंट को हम चेक दे देंगे, उनके अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर देंगे। सो
Okay,
बेसिकली
and-
दे विल बी पेइंग द इंस्टॉलमेंट फ्रॉम द ROI एंड मेकिंग सम मनी, सेविंग सम इनटू पॉकेट आल्सो।
ओके, मतलब इसकी बात ये होगी है कि SPA भी हम लोग रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं,
यस,
और आप हमसे लीज पे ले लोगे,
या
एंड इट इज एवरीथिंग इज लीगल एंड
It is all
यस।
legal. There will be pre-title deed from
Okay.
the DLD department during construction.
ओके।
Usually, title deed is given at the time of handover, but because this is 10 years post handover plan, once the 100% payment is completed, then the actual title transfer will happen.
वाओ।
In between, we will be having SPA and everything to cover the client security and all. So that is a legal document.
So this is one of the best projects of Dugasta near to the upcoming metro station. The best part is ROI is given by the developer itself with one of its sister company, and it's registered. Thank you very much.